So this is night time. We're here in one of the lookout here in Wellington together with Hope. Yan. What's the name of the lookout? Apokitua Lookout. Ayan, mamaya ano ko sa'yo yun. Naghihintay ng ano video. Nandito kami ngayon sa Apokitua Hilltop Lookout. Ayan. Kita yung city. Ayan, ikot natin ko din.
Ikaw? Paano ka?
Ay, okay lang ako.
Hindi.
Marami naman akong ano na eh. Video eh. Ayan. So this is the Wellington City. So windy here right now. So this is our dinner. We call it shabu shabu. Specialty ng ano to, mga Alas family. Tignan mo naman. Oh. Sky is the limit. Para kaming nasa ano ano ba to? Japanese restaurant. Hello, good morning. This morning we're here in we're traveling going to Taupo. It's located in central part of northern New Zealand together with Las family. Nandun sila sa unahan, naka Mitsubishi Lancer. So we're nearly there. Just traveled like 5 hours from Wellington. So on your left side is the Lake Taupo. Hello.
So, kailangan magandang lakad natin yan kasi baka mahalata.
Dumating na kami dito sa ano. Anong ano to? Anong lugar? Taupo Lake. Doon yung lake. So just ano lang, few meters walk.
Akin yan talaga pag nag-wait. Yung ano nga po dalawang ano.
So this is the Taupo. This is Uy, follow one challenge. This is the Taupo Lake, okay? Yan.
Isa pa.
Mga ano to, mga
Paparazzi.
artista ng Sydney to.
Paparazzi.
Mga artista ng Sydney to. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tingin dito. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers! Thank you!
Camera.
Kailangan moving kasi moving camera eh.
Yeah, we're here in Hoka Falls.
Wednesday
Dito
na lang.
sa
Okay, sige. Ako nga sekreto,
sa
ha?
ano yan?
Oh, sige. Okay,
Waterfalls.
June. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yun.
Go, go, go. Why is it shaky? It's supposed to shake.
You know,
Imagine how that. I don't want
you know, I was thinking that if I had elf ears, I'd be
to. It's a bit foggy.
Yeah.
How about this thing just stops? Isn't that good?
Shouldn't we? Oh, okay.
You know, that's on the outside. If you want, you can wipe
No, I
us.
thought it might be foggy and.
You can try wiping for us if you want.
It's a very tempting to let you go. Inside.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
You're the closer look for
Wait, hold on. No.
No. This is so cool. You do dirt bike.
Yeah, I saw some guys bringing bikes up here.
I
They're
saw
gonna
that.
go-
Yeah, yeah, it's the helmet.
Yeah. So are you gonna do that?
Yeah, he's over there, like the next carriage.
We should wave at him and tell him to like dirt bike down.
Is there a dirt bike in there?
Yeah.
Ashos,
Yeah.
the dirt bike.
Did you see it?
Only
Well,
saw
it's
that.
not a dirt bike. It's just a bike.
Only saw the helmet.
Is it? I mean, that's. How about that?
Why are we all taking photos?
No.
Move your head.
No, lie down.
Over here? Over here. We're gonna die if you shake it.
No, I'm not shaking anything.
You're shaking right now.
I'm not.
Why are you kissing the glass?
I'm not kissing the
Yes, you
glass.
are.
I'm not. I'm
There's your lip print
I'm
right
looking
there.
up. It's not that
It's
pretty.
your third time kissing it.
I'm not. I'm just looking outside to see
Peach,
the
I
dirt
know how
bike is
lonely
there.
you are, bro, but stop. I wonder if the car will go vroom.
Yeah, and hit
Oh.
us. Dude, I'd be so smart, you know.
Nah.
Are you smiling at Amir? Huh? Why don't we just like don't get off at all? And like we just keep going
we
around.
could.
We just keep going around the loops. What are they gonna do? Get out!
They can go with us. Telling us, you know, you shouldn't be doing this. You have to get off one more round. Then it'll be an awkward seat. Because they can't stand, right? They have to sit down with us
Yeah, they're just gonna sit here.
on your lap.
Yeah, on the lap. sit here. Help me!
Take the youngest. Bye, Emil.
Emil, you go first, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is Arawa Park Hotel. This is where we stayed overnight last night here in Rotorua. But again, the weather is not very good today, so yeah, we probably go straight to Auckland this morning. Video ko na lang ang surrounding. Wala kaming activities ngayon kasi hindi maganda yung panahon. Ito mga artista dito. So saan tayo pupunta? We're going to Redwood Treetop Walk.
Don't touch my tree.
Doon muna tayo kasi nandito na tayo sa sa Rotorua before we proceed to Auckland. Yan. Malapit lang dito.
Doon sa kanya.
Oo. Dito yung mga kulukoy oy. So we're here now in Redwood Treetop Walk. Yan yung redwood tree. And ayan, may walk yata doon. Yan, cable na walk. Sana hindi tayo mabasa. Yan, daming tao dito. Ito yung redwood tree. To protected dito ang protected tree ito dito. So look at that. Ooh,
Alvin.
parang din siya, giant sequoia pero
Dito kayo, dito muna dito.
yan,
Remembrance ko niyo rito to Bintan.
souvenir. Dito kami.
Take a photo here, yeah. Wait, two of you. Later, kita ako dun mamaya sa souvenir. Marami ka.
Bushwalk.
Yung jacket. Kaya pala ang tagal mo. Pinuntahan ka na ni Axel, wala ka ta.
Kasi nakapunta check na yung tawag nito.
Mahirap na pala ka.
Akala ko nandito kayo sa
Siguro ito ng kinakaano
Ah.
na. Oo, ito na kasi.
Welcome to Auckland, New Zealand. So now here, a few more minutes to the destination. And the weather is not really good again. Limlim. Hilak. Just see. Still a bit later. Today is it's a better day compared yesterday. Nandito kami ngayon sa Auckland. Kahapon it's very rainy. So today medyo maganda yung araw kaya we will try to go somewhere. Dito kami ngayon sa hotel. It's mid-morning. Ito lang kami. Nasa likod kami ng hotel ngayon. So maya lang aalis kami. Titignan lang natin kung saan kami makarating mamaya. Ganda ng panahon. So dito tayo sa walking. But there is a nandito tayo ngayon sa Mission Bay Park. Malapit lang din kanina kung saan tayo video sa dagat. So, dito Mission Bay Park. Dito muna tayo for now. Kakain lunch time, and then probably later on we're gonna go somewhere again.
You see?
So this is the Mission Bay Beach. Yan, ganda. Madalo. Yung mga alaga ni Maria, yung mga maliliit na ibon yan. Bawal mo ay nako.
What's your phone?
Ano yan, nako
I'm yellow.
yan, mga alaga ni Maria.
Oh, I'm yellow. It's chilling. Good more. I'm so scared.
Siyempre, baka mamaya sakman niyo muna kamay.